Thank you. City of Panjim in April.
That is the only goal, or the goal is something?
Our goal is you know me very well, and you always give wrong questions to me. Though you're my good friend. We Ponjekar want to develop the city. Last 15 years, you see this footpath in front of this thing. I could have fallen and broken my nose. In front of the deputy collector's office, see the footpath. So, good candidates have joined this We Ponjekar. I told my party that we will not fight on party line because then we want everybody's cooperation. Every individual from Ponjekar have to support this thing. That is why we have said We Ponjekar.
But when you talk about 15 years, last 15 years, you were also a mayor for 2 years. तुमचं त्यांना काय सांगणार?
Now, when I was I will tell you, good question. When I was the mayor, in whole of India, I was known as the CSR mayor. Under CSR, I brought 11 trucks. One truck I had given to Talegaon Panchayat. Even when I was 4 trucks when I bought from the builders, some of my corporators went to the leader and said, "तो truck मग आमची किती जातले का म्हणून?"
तू मुनसरात पॅनलातच मेयर आलो ना?
Yes, Astralo, because when Munsarat was 17, Tony Rodriguez and Caroline Paul went to BJP, so he was 15. So Mr. Munsarat was forced to make me the mayor because we too were making 17.
So that time good things were done.
I told you, no, we brought 11 trucks.
Yeah.
I brought 72 crores under the GNRM scheme for 24/7 water supply, where the whole of Panjim is getting today 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening with good pressure till the second floor. As a mayor, when UPA government was there, that funds were given to the PWD. Today people of Panjim are enjoying their benefits. And I one day called my commissioner, Mr. Sanjit Rodriguez, and said, no lifting of any garbage of Kaji Road. He's in the dirt in the city. So he said, what do you want? I said, you call them, all 4 of them, and say we require a check of 25 lakhs each. I want total 1 crore. From there, we bought a mulcher machine costing around 60 lakhs rupees. And the balance amount was used in the garbage treatment plant.
Okay, any problem for you?
And not only that, when I was the mayor, we had got 15,000 blue dustbin and black dustbin for household items, which were given free to every house and every shop. Before I took as the mayor, we had the trolleys where wheels had broken. To the DMA, I got around 2,000 blue, 2,000 black.
Sir, one more thing we want.
There's a lot of things. When I was the mayor, all the European countries, ambassadors or consul generals will visit and pay respect to the mayor because they know the value of mayor. We don't know the value of mayor.
So one more thing, delimitation issue would create a problem for you and your wife.
See, I am now, you didn't ask me where I am contesting.
No, I know. You will tell me because I asked you this.
You know very well how the delimitation was done because somebody is scared of somebody.
Somebody
I do not know
scared of whom?
I don't want to name anything. You know very well.
No, you tell us.
This is not democracy. What has happened? Every corporator has been hurt. And don't forget, my friend, May, June will be the assembly election. Then we will face all these things.
So you will also contest assembly?
That we will see afterwards. Now let us cross the bridge of this CCP election.
Okay, tell us, in the last 5 years, any developments have been done or nothing has
Now development what we've done is all hot mix of road now. For 10 years there were no hot mix anywhere. Only because of election. The people are not full. Panjekars are not full. That now only the hot mix were done. No doubt. I also want to tell you that these 14 finance commission money which came, where they brought 8 trucks and so many other things, I presented to the 14 finance commission chairman in Marriott, and I given him 5 books on the city of Panjim, from Vashkupino, 1 to 5. I said, this is what Panjim was, and this is what we want Panjim to be. And we had asked him so many thousands of crores, which now we have got a few crores. From there that this thing is coming. I tried to bring up the CCP building, you all know very well. If I had continued by now, the building will have been completed.
Okay.
CCP building.
For Punjekar, what are the issues for Panjim cities?
We for Panjekars, you will come to know. We now after filing we'll be little cool. We'll call you for a press conference and we'll give you our manifesto. In the manifesto, you'll know everything what we Panjekar want.
What, is it?
Because we have told the Panjekar people to email to us what are your problems. By 5th is the last day. The moment they give, all the committee people will sit and will chalk out what they require. But I want to tell you 2 things in advance. Pay parking will be abolished for the city of Panjim. Only the tourists, Panjimites have been fleeced, and we will make house tax half the rate for the full of Panjim.
Now, is it a fight between Surendra and Babush or what it is?
No, I don't know. I only fear the Lord. I don't fear human being.
Okay, तुमचे कसिनोचे किती म्हणणे आसा?
What?
कसिनो इशूचे.
Casino, you know what it is. I don't have to say
सगळे
anything.
आम्ही जाणा जाल्यार तुम्ही किती जाणा?
Casinos, CCP can't do anything.
Ah.
CCP can give only trade license.
Okay.
CCP can't remove
पण
casinos.
काल कोण बाबा माताले काहीच करूंक ना म्हणून.
कितें?
काल आनी कोण बाबा माताले कसिनोचे इशूचेर काय करूंक ना म्हणून.
कोणे करूंक ना?
CCPन दा.
See, CCP gives only trade license for the offices.
It is the government who does it.
It is the government because outside the water, CCP has no jurisdiction. People went and broke that small wooden footpath of Big Daddy. Now you go and see it's full big footpath. I don't want to blame anybody. I don't want to do anything. I want to fight proper politics. I want to play a good football team like Maradona.
Oh, Pele, you know.
I don't want to cheat.
Ronaldo.
I don't want to cheat by giving corner penalty and center this thing. I want to play good football.
How many candidates are you seeing?
All 30.
All 30.
We all Panjekars, all political parties have come together.
Even BJP, we said. No?
How much confident-
Siddharth and Dattaprasad are there with you?
Everybody is with us. Because you must have read Siddharth's this thing. He said there's no party line.
They want clean politics.
We want clean politics. Even my congressman, we have said no party line. We want good people.
So-
Even the AAP and RG have said we want good people. No political affiliation anywhere as far as CCP is concerned.
So when you all talk time and again, good people, the other panel has all bad people.
I don't say that. That
No,
is
I'm
for the
asking.
people of Panjim to judge.
Okay, fine.
How many seats you will secure?
Confident.
How many seats?
I am not saying that we are going to win all 30 seats. You got a point, no? But we will win seats where we can rule there.
Okay. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Yes.
Surendra.